Hello everyone, welcome back to again. So today we will talk about some state PCS exam, the Gujarat Public Service Commission, and the exam is going as a Deputy Executive Engineer Mechanical under the Gujarat Water Supply and Sewerage Board. Okay, so this exam is going to happen in March 2021 if all things will go accordingly. Okay, so now what is the pattern of the examination? So first let me see, that is in prelim there are two paper with three parts. Okay, part 1 general studies, part 2 mechanical engineering aptitude, and paper 2 mechanical engineering. And for mains examination there are five papers: Gujarati, English, mechanical engineering 1, 2 and 3, and there will be interview. Okay, so at here there is one note that they have written, that is the prelim exam is only screening test. The marks obtained in prelim shall not be considered in final selection. Okay, so this is just qualifying exam of prelim. The main exam is this. Now many students have doubt that only 2 hour time here, as you can see here. Part 1 general studies, part 2 mechanical engineering aptitude, and 2 hours 100 questions both. That means in 2 hours 200 questions. And if you see the syllabus, that is in part 1 general studies, that is history. Okay, from that is prehistoric period to ancient history to modern history, the art and culture, geography of India as well as state specific, polity, economies, science tech, and current affairs. So these are things, as well as, and this is engineering aptitude. Okay, so this is, so as you can see here, let me zoom out. Yes, these are the topics. So the thing that is in paper 1 general studies 2 hours. So in 2 hours 100 questions in history, geography, polity and all this thing. So how was the level of question will be? So we can guess one idea based on this paper. This is the paper of conducted by GPSC in 2019 for class 2 assistant engineer exam. Okay, and the level would be more or less same, not more than this, not less than this, because this is the basic, that is every engineer, that is the question in Gujarati, so you must have the knowledge of Gujarati. Okay, for this. Okay, and here as you can see here, I will provide this link of PDF link in Telegram. Okay, so join there also and subscribe this channel for daily this kind of videos. Okay, so there is some polity, like in Indian constitution, where is rule of law is taken from, where the interpretation, the translation in English of first question I'm telling you. In Indian constitution, the rule of law is taken from where? So it is from British. Okay, I think so. If I'm wrong, then answer in the comment section. Okay, if I'm right or wrong. Okay, and this is so these are the basic question, not basic question like this is the in emergency. So in emergency situation 1949, that is immediate effect, where constitution is partially affected. Then what is the, what are the like, what you can say that, yes, what are the important what we can say that rights that we have given. Okay, so these are the basic things, that is from polity. And that is here as you can see here, this is from uh, polity. Okay, then if you go more than here, that is state government has increased the national pension government's uh, portion from 10% to government share from 10% to how much. Okay, so this is from state specific. Okay, so here as you can see here, the basic thing from in this is from economy. This is in English. If I'm translate that question number 31, So government of India has taken which reference as to measure the poverty line. Okay, and this is question number 30, that is consolidated fund of India. uh, how we can withdraw the money from consolidated fund of India. Okay, so the answer is that is from parliament. Okay, so these are the basic so important committees like Dinesh Goswami committee or which. So this is the basic thing. And here if you see in the history, so there is history of Gujarat history as well as national history. Okay, there are. And here one some art and culture, there is some books and some lines given by which poet or which author. So these are the some basic things. And some apti also here, so you can see the apti level. Okay, so these are the things. And if you see question one by one, read carefully, then you will find that these are not as much as like a state PCS exam or a UPSC civil service. So okay, so these are things. And this is the technical section. Okay, so this is the basic idea about uh, things here. If there is 100 questions, so there are from around 10 to 20 aptitude and the geography section, history, all the points that I've shown you earlier. That is all the questions, similar type of question are there. So you can expect this level of paper. Okay, the second thing, that is engineering aptitude. So this engineering aptitude is the GS portion of ESC engine in our UPSC engineering service. We are saying GS paper 1 in prelim. So here it is a part 2 of paper 1, or you can say the paper 2 of mechanical engineering aptitude. So here it is engineering aptitude covering logical and analytical ability, engineering mathematics, general principle of design drawing and importance of safety, standards and quality. So these points are same, more or less same as the engineering service. So this kind of question from where to do. So best source is previous year question paper of ESC paper 1, because those who have given UPPSC, the UPPSC AE exam on 13th December, they know very well 90% of the question are same as ESC question or gate 1 marks question. Okay, because the syllabus, if you see the UPPSC syllabus, then the paper 2 of ESC is the same as paper 1 and paper 1 is paper 2. Okay, so the chances of new questions are very less. Okay, so here engineering aptitude, maths, general principle design drawing, standards and quality practice, theory of machines, mechanical engineers study theory of machine very well. Now we have to focus here basics of electrical engineering and basics of semiconductor devices. And this is energy environment, project management, ICT, material science and ethics. These all are the part of engineering service prelim. So those who are preparing for engineering service, they have the benefit because they have already studied, so no need for special study. Okay, now so they have very well command over this. And the best source is solve previous year question as much as you can and try some practice questions also. Now if we talk about these basic two things, basics of electrical engineering and basics of semiconductor devices. So this is not the hardcore, you have to take the books of anything, just study up to 12th standard, because these are only two topics and 100 marks, and you have cover already 100 marks also. And this is qualifying exam. Okay, so hardly 5 to 6 question I think, max 7 to 8. So if you want to study, then what to do? Up to 11th 12, what is the basics of voltage, Kirchhoff first law, second law, and series parallel connection in resistor, capacitor, LCR circuit. Okay, what is resonance, and how to measure conduct the voltage in any line in current. Okay, so these are the basic thing that we have studied in 12th standard. Okay, basics of semiconductor devices like PN junction diode and some gate PN junction diode, that is the main thing. And the OR gate, AND gate, NOR gate. So these are the things that you go you go for this. And because these are the main thing that we can go for, because there are lots of things in semiconductor, so we cannot read for this, because only 5 to 6 questions from this both two topic. Okay, because these are number of question, and there is and not so much weightage, and some question will be very easy electrical compared to all these things. Okay, so this is the thing. And paper to mechanical engineering objective, so you can expect some ESE questions also, because of the examination. If you see the here, there are 3 hours for 300 marks. Okay, and number of questions will be 300, 1 marks question. Okay, and three number of question 300. So you can expect gate 1 marks question, engineering service questions also, and the state exam previous year question paper also. The question paper that I have shown you, you can refer also that. I will give the link in Telegram. And some the PSU's question paper that PSUs are conducting. Okay, because in 3 hours 300 marks, just you have to go read the question, tick the answer. If there are calculation, there are minor calculation. And in this paper GPSC conducted by GPSC or any other body in Gujarat, so there is a option E, A B C D and E. Okay, I don't know if there is a E option here also, because if there will be, then it will be mentioned in your admit card as well as on your question paper also, that if you do not want to attempt, then you have to mark the E in OMR sheet, so that it will be considered as not attempted. If you not attempt any of the A B C D or E, then it will be negative marking. So there are some questions like for example, out of 300, 40 questions you don't know, so for that you have to mark E options also. Okay, E, so it will consume, I think, for 40 bubbles, if you take 10 minutes minimum, then there will be loss of 10 minutes in 3 hours. So you have to prepare for that. If they have provided 3 hours, then you have to prepare for 2.5 hours. Okay, so this is the purpose of the video, to provide the where is the from where to study. And you can expect the level of question and cutoff will be higher, because as the number of applicants are there. Okay, so this is all about today's video. If you have any query regarding this. And one more thing, uh, I will find somewhere, and I will try to collect the paper of GWSSB, the same paper, uh, for not deputy executive, but there is an assistant engineer exam that has been conducted in 2018. So I will try to find that paper also and share with you in Telegram group. So this is the humble request to stay tuned in Telegram as well as YouTube for any upcoming updates regarding Oil India Limited, Vizag Steel, or any other. So I will be here. So, and if you have any doubt, I'll just ask in the comment section or in Telegram group. So we will be there. There are many aspirants also. Okay, so they will also solve your queries. So this is all for today. Thank you guys for watching this video, and hope you enjoy this.